Hey, my baby. This is my most friendliest mommy. And there, you can see. If you can see. No, not that one. There we got it. Can you see there? Can you see it? There we are pipping. Yes, okay, I'll put him down, my baby. And look at that. Oh, my angel. She is the sweetest thing. She's not like my meanie. This was my mean mommy, which is actually her sister, I would have been bleeding by now. There we go. Did you come out? We're busy coming out. No, you can't bite my camera. Oh, okay. It's okay, mommy. Yes. There we go. I'm gonna come out now. I'll come and check. Oh, there you can see that one's popping as well. There we go. Okay, mommy. I'm gonna make you famous, mommy. Her name is Anastasia.